Good morning, everybody. It is 9 a.m. and I had to sleep in. I wanted to show you guys how I'm starting my morning. Something that I've been doing lately is doing fresh ginger and lemon hot water. So I drink that upon waking, and it's just a nice like wake up call for my digestive system. So that's what I have right here. Then I have some green tea. I have really traditional Japanese green tea that I got from a family friend. Tastes really good. It's super, super fine. So I make that, and then I put in 1 serving of maca root. This is just the brand that I got. My best friend got it for me, and ever since I've learned the benefits of maca through my holistic nutrition class, I've been incorporating it into my green tea in the mornings. It's so, so good for you guys. I just pulled up this to show you. I just Googled benefits of maca so that I could tell you guys that it's really rich in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. And it has a lot of antioxidants in it. It's really good for sexual function and fertility. I actually have very irregular periods, so I know that my hormones are a little bit off, which is why I went to the doctor and got a blood test. So yeah, really good for menstrual periods, physical and mental energy, just health, general health and disease prevention, really good for your skin, mood and hormone balance. People that struggle with a lot of stress and anxiety, maca is good. And yeah, so you guys can read more up on it. I'll put the link of this in the description box, but this is the brand that I use and I really like it. Once I make my tea and my water, I come sit right here and I'm gonna be reading some of my book for probably about 40 minutes to an hour. This is the book that I'm reading. I'm almost done. I feel like a sense of accomplishment when I'm almost done my book. So I'm excited to finish it. It's been really good so far. I'm gonna shine some light on the topic because I know that I'm probably gonna get asked. I have always had really irregular menstrual cycles, except for when I was on birth control, obviously. And I stopped taking birth control years ago just because it's not good for your body. And I realized that like I didn't want anything that messed with my hormones or my body's natural state in any way. So I stopped taking hormones, birth control, and ever since then, like I was really into fitness, and I've just never really had a regular period. Like sometimes I'll go a really long time without it, and a lot of people will be like, oh my god, it's not normal. But my doctor said in the past that it's just because I'm so active and I'm doing such rigorous exercise. But it has been a little while since I've gotten checked, and I just want to make sure that everything's okay because I feel like it's important to do, especially as a woman. And yeah, so I just went for some blood tests. I'm gonna get all of that back. I got a new doctor and she's just gonna like update me, still see if everything is fine, because I still don't get very regular menstrual cycles. But if you don't get regular menstrual cycles, consult your doctor. I'm not a doctor. I was told that it's okay because I'm so active, but everybody is different. Maybe you're not getting it for a specific reason and you just want to take care of yourself. So everything's fine with me, and if it isn't and I go through anything to like try to get it back or whatever, you guys will be the first to know about it, because hopefully my struggles or my story will be able to help somebody. So that's it. First meal of the day, I'm having 1 cup of egg whites with 1 full egg. And you guys, you need to have patience. I broke my egg 3 days in a row before, and then I remembered patience, and now it's perfect. So, oh my gosh, is it ever perfect? I'm gonna enjoy that. Yes. And then I have, I'm getting sidetracked by the yolk. And then I have 1 package of oat fit with 12 grams of chia seeds and 30 grams of frozen blueberries, and then I'm taking one Her Daily Cleanse with the first meal of every single day. This is my top 3 favorite supplements from One Up. I love it so much. It promotes anti-bloating and supports digestive health. Basically, when I take this, I don't get bloated as easily or at all throughout the day, and you're supposed to take one with the first meal of every single day. So if you guys are interested in my other favorite steps from One Up, I'll let you guys know in the next clip. But first, let's eat. Dressed and ready for the gym now. I'm wearing crop top. I love that summer is like actually here in Calgary, so I can wear crop tops. I'm wearing the crop top with the peach and the pink splatter from Live It, and then just some really old Lululemon leggings. They're the only black ones clean. And then my jean jacket is just from Forever 21. So, gonna go meet Gabby at the gym, and I want to show you guys my second favorite One Up Nutrition supplement, BCAAs, the pineapple BCAAs to be specific. This stuff tastes like juice. It's so good. It's, my face is up here. My favorite flavor literally tastes like pineapple juice. And BCAAs and glutamine are really beneficial for repair, recovery, and regrowth. And actually studies have shown that glutamine can help with leaky gut repair. So not only does it help your muscles, but it also helps your gut. And the BCAAs from One Up Nutrition have collagen in it. So really good for your hair, skin, and your nails. That's a nice added bonus that they put in it. Also, all of the One Up Nutrition supplements are not a proprietary blend, which means you're getting the most bang for your buck. This is full ratios of aminos, no fillers or added junk. Like basically you're getting exactly what you pay for. So that is my other favorite. Now, I think we're gonna do a conditioning workout, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm gonna fill up my jug and let's head to the gym.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie. Here with Gabby. Hi. So I walked into the gym and I had full intentions of like doing a booty workout. I tried to do a couple exercises to get my head in the zone. The studio became available, tried to go in there, and I was like, you know what? I was just getting frustrated because there was a lot of people and just I wasn't feeling it. It's such a beautiful day outside and I was just getting frazzled. So I was like, you know what, let's just leave, like let's go get Starbucks, and I'm gonna do a stair circuit, and that is going to be my workout of the day. It's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be short and effective, and it's gonna be outside. So I'm excited for that. Cheers to that. Cheers to that, Gabby. Cheers. Cheers. She's drinking Americano Misto with soy milk, and I'm drinking an iced half-calf Americano with almond milk and stevia.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Stair circuit is done. That was really good. If you guys want a quick, what is this? If you guys want a fast and effective leg conditioning cardio workout, stairs are always awesome. And take advantage of the nice weather outside. Like I said, I was just going crazy inside the gym. Went outside. Everybody always does the Stairmaster, but why don't you actually like run outside on the stairs? It's a lot more refreshing because the fresh air, and I'm being like your mom right now. Just get outside, kids. Stop being inside all the time. Okay, so now that we're done that, Gabby is actually gonna help me take photos. I work with a company called Movement Watches, and how I work with them is I am a content creator for them, so I take photos like modeling my wrist and stuff like that of the watches, and yeah, it's a really good partnership. So we're gonna take some photos for Movement. Hopefully we get some good ones, and I'll show you guys. I'll put one right here that we did take. This one I'm pretty proud of though. So that's what we're going to do, and I'll catch you guys in a bit for lunch. Just wrapped up the photo shoot and it went so well. You know when you get like a good selfie or something, you're just like, ah, it's a good day. We got a good selfie. It's a good day. That's all I needed. That's like how I feel today. I'll show you guys my favorite photo. I think it's so pretty. There it is. Gabby's an amazing photographer. But look how pretty that is. This is the new Lyra watch. I just love the choice of outfit. So that is my fave from the shoot. Great job, Gabby. Super happy with those. And yeah, feeling good. So I'm full of energy right now. I think I'm gonna go for like either a walk or a run. I'll wear my running shoes just in case I decide to run. And yeah. And then we're gonna go to bar tonight, guys. We're gonna go to bar. And I don't mean like the bar. We're gonna go to bar. So we'll be good. After I run, I will eat. And then I will show you guys what I'm having. Lunch is served. I have a massive salad. Salad of the day has lettuce, zucchini, beef fettuccine noodles, tomatoes, cucumbers, bok choy, some sunflower seeds, chili, and some salmon. And then I have the coconut vinegar as dressing. Hi, boo! How are you? What is this? Oh, thank you.
And apple with a little bit of lemon.
Oh, you're the best. Thank you, Stella. Isn't she amazing? Thank you,
So
Stella.
amazing.
I love you.
Do you like my music right now?
I do.
Yeah.
Stella has a juicer at home and she has a luxury of making her own fresh juice all the time. Thank you for thinking of me. We are headed, ooh, that's good.
I know, right? When it's cold, how delicious is that? Oh,
so good.
I know.
We are headed to a bar class right now. It's my second time ever doing bar, so I'll let you guys know how it is. Just got back from bar. It was good. I'm switching up my fitness routines. I'm doing things that I don't usually do, and bar is one of them. I've only done it once before. At the beginning of the workout, you're like, oh, this is easy, but by the end of it, my friends, your legs are shaking. So that was good. I feel really fitnessy today. I feel really healthy and stuff. So now I'm going to be eating my next meal. Let me show you guys what I'm having. I made some sauteed asparagus and Brussels sprouts with a sunny side egg on top. And I put some garlic Himalayan pink salt on. I put some garlic Himalayan pink salt on that, and this is what I used to saute the asparagus and Brussels sprouts. It's coconut aminos. Well, it's like coconut soy sauce. And this is awesome because there's no soy in it, and soy is actually an allergen food because it scrapes the insides of your gut, which makes it inflamed. So I'm switching all of my soy sauce, even if it's gluten-free, to this coconut substitute, and it tastes really good. This is the nutrition. So, super tasty, a little bit expensive, but worth it. And then I'm gonna dig in. And for my last meal, I have some bok choy, zucchini, and shrimp sauteed, and then some sriracha on top. All right, y'all, I'm sitting here, and I think it's about time to end this video so that I can edit it and get it up for you guys. Friday night, turn up right now. You know, I'm getting wild. I'm gonna have a bath, I'm gonna edit, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I always enjoy hanging out with you guys. I hope that you liked today's vlog. If you did, please don't forget to show your support by giving the video a thumbs up, as it really helps to support the channel. I really greatly appreciate it. It helps other people come across the channel, helps it grow, helps us take over the world together as a team. You know what I mean? Oh. Who run the world? But yeah, please don't forget to show your support. Subscribe if you guys want to see another one, and I will catch you there. Bye!